Arielle. Welcome back to my channel. If you are new, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. If you are old, welcome back. Today's video is sponsored by Ebby or EBY, and basically it's a website that does subscriptions for seamless underwear. The company was founded by Sofia Vergara and Renata Black, and they're very known for their seamless undies, which is such an important staple in everybody's closet because, as you know, we don't want to see no panty lines in your outfits, right? The best part of the company is that when you purchase your subscription, 10% of the proceeds go to women out of poverty and into businesses through microfinance. I've been very lucky that the brand actually sent me two kinds of undies based on my preferences, which is high-waisted and cheeky. I'm not a huge thong type person, but I am assuming for anybody who loves wearing thongs, you're gonna love theirs because I love just the material itself. So today they've sent me the cheeky, and I have it in a size medium. I wear about a 4 to 8, depending on what it is. If it's a skirt or jeans, I can get into a 4 and I can get into a 6 or an 8, but I always stay on the safe side. I feel like I'm a true medium kind of girl, so I chose the medium size, and this is their cheeky version. And let's just talk about fabric. First of all, it feels really, really strong, and I've actually already worn these and washed them for you guys, obviously, but I just feel like they don't show when I wear bodycon skirts or dresses, which is the reason why you should purchase this anyways. And I love the print on it. I have this cute little flamingo, and I love the hunter green, and what I really enjoy most about it is the band around it. This is the reason why it does not slip. I've tried other brands that do seamless underwears, and the problem with it is that they'll roll down and then it just becomes uncomfortable, and then you could see the panty. So what is the point of a no-show underwear if it's going to slide down? What I've noticed about these specific underwear is that they don't slide down, which is the huge plus for me, and which is why I'm telling you guys to get them, because I have never had a seamless underwear that didn't roll down until I've met theirs. And then the last pair they gave me is actually a high-rise one. I know it looks a little massive on camera, but let me just tell you, these are amazing because I'm the girl that loves high-waisted underwears because I feel like when I wear a bikini style or a thong, it shapes my body too much, and I'm a little bit thicker. You know, I'm not really your average thin girl who's very, very thin. I'm a little bit more curvy, so I feel like when I wear this one, it actually shapes me a little bit more, cinches me at the waist, and it's just a very flattering underwear for me. And again, they have the bands, which is such a plus. These bands definitely do the trick without letting them slide. So I'm very happy with the underwears they've sent me, and it's super easy to subscribe to their subscriptions. All you have to do is go into their website, take the quiz with a few questionnaire just to kind of get what kind of items you want to receive into your box, and then it gets delivered to your door. And you get your subscription boxes sent to you either quarterly or semi-annually. Quarterly is going to be every 3 months, and it's about $45. And if you do semi-annually, which is every 6 months, you're going to be purchasing it for about $65. Well, there you guys have it for my review on Ebby or EBY. I'm not sure how to pronounce that. I'm sorry if I'm butchering it. But again, I do highly recommend you guys to try them out. It's a subscription. You don't have to worry about picking any underwears. They'll come to you, and what's really great about it is that 10% of the proceeds go to empowering women, which is such a plus. Girls who support girls, come on, it's the best thing ever. And I just want to say thank you so much for watching this video. If you are new, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. If you are old, welcome back to my channel, and I'm so happy that you guys are tuning in again. And don't forget to leave a comment down below, subscribe to my channel, hit that notification bell button to get notified each time I upload a video. Give this video a thumbs up, and I will also link everything down below so that it'll be easy for you guys to get your underwears.